Come test drive the 2017 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, privacy glass, rain sensing wipers, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.